Fudget Budgeting App Review, Usage Experience. Welcome to my Fudget Budgeting App Review, Usage Experience. Links to the product have been added to the description below. Fudget is a simple, no-frills budgeting app designed for users who want to track income and expenses without complex features or unnecessary distractions. This app is all about quick budgeting and tracking, making it ideal for beginners, casual budgeters, or anyone who prefers a minimalist approach to managing money. One of Fudget's standout features is its completely manual entry system, allowing you to add income and expenses as you go, without connecting to your bank accounts. While this may seem like a drawback for some, it actually appeals to users who prioritize privacy and control over automation. Fudget's interface is incredibly simple, using a list-based system where you create budget lists for different months, trips, or projects. Each list shows your income and expenses, along with a running balance at the bottom. There are no complex category systems, charts, or analysis tools. Just clear numbers so you always know exactly where your money stands. This makes it perfect for users who find other budgeting apps too overwhelming or feature-heavy. Another benefit is that Fudget doesn't force you into recurring subscriptions. There's a one-time pro version purchase, which unlocks additional features like cloud backup, exporting budgets to CSV files, and customizing colors or icons. Even in the free version, the app is fully functional for basic budgeting needs. Fudget is made for people who just want to track spending, plan simple budgets, and keep financial information directly under their control. It's especially useful for freelancers, students, or people managing irregular incomes, since you're not locked into any preset structures. However, it's not ideal if you want automated bank syncing, spending reports, or advanced financial analysis. This is intentionally a manual, lightweight app. In summary, Fudget works best if you value simplicity, speed, and privacy, and you want to manually track your money without unnecessary features. If you're after a straightforward budgeting app that does exactly what you tell it to, without algorithms or hidden complexities, Fudget is an excellent option. Check the links in the description to download it and see if its no-nonsense approach fits your budgeting style.